we have given segment DF. We know that the length of DF is 45, the length of EF is 15. We need to find distance between D and E. So let's first write our equation that DF, our segment DF, is equal DE plus EF. The distance of DF is equal to sum of two segments, DE, EF. And now we can substitute DF by 45. This is equal, DE is our unknown, so we just copy DE. And we have EF is 15, so we have plus 15. Now we will move 15 to the left side, so we have 45 minus 15 is equal DE. So 45 minus 15 is 30. This is our DE. We can rewrite our answer. DE is equal 30. The length of DE is 30.